birds suddenly appear anytime you hear. Just like me, they want to be with you.
The stars and the moon, they dance for you. Anytime you're here, just like me, they want to be with you. Shuka, shuka, hey,
God, stupid man.
Really funny, really fun. But I really do like it. It's very nice. Yeah. So,
oh, Leo. I'm totally sorry I couldn't make it. I'm really sorry. But did you get the ice cream?
thank you. Yes, I was saying, like, your hair I really like it. It's very nice. Maybe like when I take off these braids, I'll have something like that.
Yeah, like when you're ready, we could just go to the person who fixed it.
Yeah.
Or like they could probably come to the house,
So you want this shirt you're wearing? Why is it Niger for life? It's supposed to be Ghana for life now.
Yeah, we're wearing that tomorrow. I have that for all the African countries.
I'm thank you.
You girls are bad. Really bad.
My goodness. So I'll see you in class tomorrow.
I'm fed up. Absolutely fed up. I mean, if this is the price I have to pay for this love, it's too much. It's too much for me to pay.
I mean, I think you're missing the point.
Which point? What more point do I need? The girl stood me up for hours. And when I got used to the idea of being dumped, she calls me up to buy her ice cream for her friends and herself. How much more humiliation can I take?
See, slow down. I mean, slow down. I mean, you're not gonna get a beautiful girl like Jasmine walking on the streets of Ghana unattached with a girl tagging along her. You should know that.
Fred, that doesn't give her the right to treat me like trash.
See, Leo, every girl needs proof. The proof to know that you love her. The proof to know that you will always be there for her. I mean, the proof to know that you will go the extra mile for her. I mean, if you don't understand this, I think you've got a show how we did for you. Oh. See, Leo, if you love this girl, fight for her.
Fred, it's not as simple as that, man. It's not.
That's the only way out.
Jasmine, we are not going abroad. And you know we are in Ghana now. That means you can see me whenever you want to see. It's just that I'm bothered about your illness. Who's going to take care of you, Junior, and Uncle Dave when you fall ill? God has taken care of me all this while. And you know I have a wonderful husband who lends support and homekeeping regularly.
Oh, don't you go all philosophical on me now. I'm losing you, and that's hard and bad enough.
Jasmine, I want you to promise me not a single word of this to me. Okay. I love you, sister. I love you more than you can imagine. As long as my body can carry me. I do.
Thank you. Thank you for telling me this now. At least you saved me the shock of losing you suddenly. Thank you. Thank you.
Honey, come on, we are getting late.
Dave, do you really have to leave for Accra tonight? Why don't you make it tomorrow morning?
No, I understand, but I definitely have to get to Accra tonight because I have an important assignment. I mean, this is a big engine, 3 liter. We'll be there in about 3 hours. Don't worry, we'll be okay.
Nana, on the other hand,
Why don't you and Jasmine come over to Accra to spend some time with us?
That cat is not ready for that jungle called Accra yet. Not yet.
Come on, Daddy. At least if you don't want to, why don't you allow Jasmine to spend some time with us?
I'll put that in mind, okay?
Jasmine, a hug for me.
Now, Dave, you better take good care of my princess and Junior for me.
I will, as always. I'll do that.
Why don't you say goodbye to Junior?
Oh, Junior. Hey, Junior. Come here. I'm gonna miss you. I miss you. Daddy, give Junior a kiss. Junior, I'll miss you. But now
Bye-bye.
you have to go. So,
Junior, bye-bye.
bye, Junior. Bye.
Can you stop this? Why? What's wrong with you? Just come and sit down. What is it? Talk to me. Sit down.
Kelly, don't you think we went a little too far with this prove your love soap opera with Leo? You know, I really think it was to the extreme, seriously.
You know, if you think this is to the extreme, try heartbreak. Listen, when a guy sweats really, really hard to get a woman, he cherishes her more. That's the whole idea.
So what am I supposed to do? Just mop and wait till he slips out of my fingers? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
You want to call him? Jazz, darling, listen carefully. When the heart is willing, it has 1,000 ways, okay? But when it's unwilling, it has 1,000 excuses. You understand?
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. But the day you gave me has not elapsed yet.
Take it easy, sir. Actually, we are not here to possess your house. We are here to notify you that your debt has been paid in full.
Me? My debt? Paid? And in full? By who? How?
Yes. The payment was made by one Mr. Johnson. Could you please sign here for me?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sorry, we are sorry for any embarrassment, cause we are just following company policy. We hope you call on us for further transactions.
Thank you again.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Aren't those the people from the bank?
Yes, they are. You won't believe it, Jasmine. You won't believe it. Just take a look. Every debt I owe paid fully. They paid everything.
Dave!
Can't believe. Just look at that.
Daddy, Daddy, I'm so happy. Daddy, I'm so excited.
Yes. Oh my God.
Daddy, Daddy, this is wonderful. Daddy.
Hey, Lulu. Come on, man. He's not one to wearing a long face.
It's just that every time I think about the incident, I just go bonkers, man.
And that makes you very predictable. My friend, you see, you've got to keep the level of anticipation very high in a relationship. You should know this. See, you've got to control everything. Okay, let's take word to them and see if she really cares about you. Where's your phone?
For what?
Where's your phone? Give me your phone.
Who do you want to call?
Give me your phone!
Who do you want to call?
Relax.
Fred, what is in that mischievous mind of yours?
Man, relax. Let's play a Jasmine's game. Relax. Yeah, hello. This is Fred. Yes. Yeah, Jasmine, please. Leo is very sick. Yes, very, very sick. Yes, he's at home. No, you can't even talk to me. You can't even talk. Yeah, it's really terrible. Okay.
What did she say? What did she say?
Come on!
Get my phone. What did she say?
See, man, if you just love yourself, you've got to be out of here in 30 minutes time. Because the baby will be in your house in 30 minutes time. You trust me, you feel me. I said, relax.
Dad, come to my house.
Get out of here.
Hey, thanks, man.
Leo, Fred told me that you were sick. What is wrong with you?
You?
Me? How?
Jasmine, when the heart is troubled, the body does not function properly. And I told you once before, I will stop breathing, not until you give me an answer. Give me back my breath. Please.
Leo, I didn't really mean to stretch you like that. You know, I just wanted to be sure that you're the right man for me. And I also wanted to be sure that I could give you my all without being scared.
Give me your all. Give me your all. And I can promise you that I will guard it with all my life.
My goodness, I thought you were sick.
I forgot, I'm not sick.
So you got me all right up for nothing.
Hello, Dave.
Hello, Nana.
Hi, Dave, my only in-law. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Dave, I thank you for everything that you've done for us. The paying of my debt and the reconnection of the telephone in the house. May God richly bless you and protect you.
Don't mention, Nana. You and Jasmine are family, so it is my responsibility anyway.
Well, all the same, we need to say thank you for everything. How's your wife? I mean, my princess and the little one.
Oh, they're fine. They're doing very fine. Well, I just called to find out how you and Jasmine are doing.
Well, I'm fine. And she's alive and kicking, you know.
Nana, is Jasmine around?
No, she has not come back from school yet.
I've been trying to reach her on her cell phone, but it seems it's been off for a while. And, well, anyway. I hope you're okay, Nana.
Oh, yes.
Okay, Nana. Thank you. All right. Bye.
Arise, oh, and shine. Arise into your dream. You are just a song I'll always sing. You're the sun, come shining in.
Hold my love, hold my heart, hold me, please hold my hand. For the world is cold, the ways of man unknown, but for you I'll live and die. Oh. Shuku shuku hey, save me. Shuku shuku hey, take me to the mountain top, to the clouds above, to your heart, fulfill my dream. Shuku shuku hey, love me. Shuku shuku hey, feel me with untainted love. Fill me with your joy, with your love, fulfill my dream.
I'm very sure you know me, don't you?
Am I supposed to?
Don't play dumb with me, Jasmine.
Oh. Very, very impressive. I see you've done your background check on me. You know my name.
Don't flatter yourself. If you think you've got hot pants on campus that every man is running after you, keep it away from my man. Because if you don't, I will give you something hotter and worse than hell.
Does the name Jasmine Watson fits the bill of a timid girl that you can threaten? What is even giving you this confidence? Is it these bunch of confused losers that hang around you like stray dogs or what?
How dare Don't! Who the hell do you think you are anyway? Or what do you think you have that we don't have? Hey, shut up. Let me handle this. Now listen, and listen carefully. If I find you anywhere near Leo again, I will tear you limb from limb. And that is a promise.
Nice lines. But this one will really, really shock you. If you don't know how to hold your man, I'll teach you how to. I will take him to a level that will erase all memories of you, idiot.
Has it now gotten so bad that Dave doesn't touch my food anymore? So much for sacrifice. My husband now treats me with contempt, like a contagious disease. Oh, very well then.
To set me free, evil's lurking in the dark. Oh, son of mischief. Oh, I feel the hurt. A broken dream.
Hi. Do you know you look really beautiful when you're angry? Cheers to whoever got you angry.
Oh, cut it off, Leo. I'm not here to socialize. Look, I want you to tell your untamed dog that she's barking up the wrong tree. Okay? I want you to warn her that if she dares come any closer, I will eat her up.
What are you talking about? Which dog are you referring to?
I'm talking about the dog that comes in the shape and form of Vanessa. She and her 3 band of witches accosted and attacked me yesterday.
Vanessa attacked you?
Yes.
For what?
Look here, Leo, I'm not responsible for your breakup, okay? So I want you to tell her to keep her distance, because if she doesn't, someone will go down here and it sure as hell won't be me.
Jasmine, wait. Jasmine. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Tell me you don't want this.
Dave, since we came back from my father's place, you haven't touched me. I mean, for God's sake, I'm a woman and I need you as a husband. I mean, I don't know, but...
What is the importance of romance to a dying woman?
Dave!
Why are you screaming my name? You're dying anyway. And romance and sex should be the last thing that should be on your mind.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm dying. I almost forgot. And thought the love of my husband would make me forget. But I was wrong. I was wrong. I was wrong.
Fill up my eyes.
Oh God.
Caved into the ground. The pain within in my heart. A betray. Cause my heart took right. So I ask the question why the heart of man so unkind, a devil in disguise. Love is not enough to set me free. Evil's knocking in the dark. Oh, son of mischief. Oh, I feel the hurt.
Since he doesn't appreciate me anymore, let me just go and die in the midst of my family who loves me so much, in spite of my mistakes.
Did you kill my love? Oh, you destroyed me. A monster you have become. Strange the ways of man. Make me laugh. Letting go, making me cry again. Nothing else but love. Love is not enough.
What is this?
I should be asking you this. This substance was found in your luggage.
My luggage.
And when it was tested, it was found to be cocaine.
No. 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 You actually slap her?
I gave it to her seriously. I actually tore her blouse in class. Hey.
That was crazy, though. Vanessa!
What's the meaning of this?
Sit. When kings and queens are in council, the royal justice stay in the courtyard. And you, Vanessa, why would you attack an innocent girl like that?
There is nothing innocent about a girl who wants to destroy my relationship and take away my man.
I was long out of your life before Jasmine walked in. So leave her out of this.
I can't do that. She caused a disaster from the day she dragged you into her bed.
Now you listen to me and listen to me real carefully. If you ever lay a finger on her again, I will shred you by my father's grave. I will, and I'm not joking. And don't make me come here again, because you will be sorry. All of you will be sorry.
It's okay.
Tell me it's not true, and I'll believe you. Please, tell me it's a lie, and I'll believe you. But please don't tell me this is yours. Don't, Dave, please don't.
How the hell do you expect me to keep up with the life I live? This huge and massive mansion, the expensive and classic cars, and all the money I spend on you and your family. How do you expect me to do that? And you think the army can afford such luxury for officers? You're being stupid.
So, the cocaine I went for jail for all those years wasn't a setup after all. Dave, I thought you were innocent. Oh my God. But I was wrong. I went to jail for a crime you committed all this while and you felt comfortable about it? No. Dave, are you a devil or its advocate?
Princess, trust me, you don't want to see the devil. I did not ask you to play Jesus Christ for me. In any case, you did it out of the abundance of your own love.
Burn in hell then!
No, you burn in hell because you get to hell first.
Oh.
To set me free, evil's not in the dark. Oh, son of
my God.
Oh, I feel the hurt. A broken dream.
My
God is in a
God.
Roger! Roger! Roger!
Yes, sir!
Come here. Now you listen to me. Under no circumstance should my wife leave this compound. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
No circumstance.
Yes, sir!
My dear friend, you just try and relax. I am definitely not your enemy.
Neither am I your friend. You must have a damn good reason why I'm here.
I believe so. Like I said, relax. We both have a mutual problem. Yeah, you can have it. You see, we both have a mutual problem.
I don't seem to follow your line of thinking.
Listen, you want Jasmine Boateng, and I want my Leo back. So I propose we join forces to achieve our individual goals.
I see. Why would I want to join forces with you to catch Jasmine Boateng when I know I can do that myself?
And I can see you're doing a very good job at that. Listen, Jasmine Boateng is not a cheap meat you can swallow. Trust me.
So what are you proposing?
Now you're asking the right question.
Jasmine, what did this do?
My leg.
You know, he really didn't like it. You know, tonight I'm gonna take you out to the party and have a really jolly good time. Yeah. Yo, Leo, What brings you to John's Spade?
One of your boys has touched the very center of my life, and I want justice.
So go, take it upstairs. See you later. What makes you think he's one of us?
Jan, you know me very well. I'm not the type of person who makes hasty decisions. Neither do I make false accusations. I've done my investigation properly, and I know what I'm talking about. You owe me this favor.
One moment. Yo, Joe, I want to ask you this question once, and I want the answer now. What's the name of the girl?
Jasmine Boateng.
Who ordered the hit on Jasmine Boateng? I see. Bring him downstairs now. You know, normally we don't do this. Favor a non-indigent over an indigent. But for your sake, I will make an exception. I owe you my life, and I want to return the favor. But mark my words, I will never do this again.
I know, and I understand. I appreciate it. I will not put myself in that position to ask for favors anymore. I know this fellow. He was one of the guys who rushed Jasmine to the hospital after the attack. And I saw him twice at the hospital when he was going to visit her.
Deception is the game. You've disgraced the Vipers. Hitting a woman, the girlfriend of someone under my covering. Why did you order the hit on Jasmine Boateng?
Capone, I'm sorry. I didn't know her boyfriend was your friend under her protective covering. I'm sorry.
You've not answered my question. Why did you order the hit on her? I hope you don't want me to force the truth out of you. Why did you order the hit on her?
His girlfriend, Vanessa.
What about Vanessa?
She planned it all. The whole operation was centered on Vanessa getting you back. The girl was not to be hurt. All I told my boys was to get her so that I played a hero. But Capone, we got a little situation. I'm sorry. I won't repeat itself.
You bastard!
Touch an indigent in its own ankle. We will deal with him in our own way. Deal with yours.
I'm sorry.
And now, take this loser out and rip him apart. Let him feel what that poor girl felt. Take him out!
Capone, I'm sorry, it will not repeat itself again.
Take him away!
Please, Capone, don't let him do this.
Out! You blood flag.
I was long out of your life before Jasmine walked in. So leave her out of this.
I can't do that. She caused a disaster from the day she dragged you into her bed.
Where is she? Where is that slut? Where is she?
How dare you?
Don't touch me around here. Did I not warn you? Didn't I tell you not to make me come to this house anymore? Did I not? I'll tell you one of these days. Stay out of my life. Pray nothing happens to Jasmine. Otherwise, I'll kill you.
Go away. Go to your slot. Get out of my house.
Stay away from me.
Selfish.
Stay away from Jasmine.
Go away. Gold digger.
I'm a gold digger?
Go to your slot!
Sure nothing
Go to your slot!
Stop.
Go, digger! Go to your slot!
Jess, baby.
What have you done?
Nothing. Well, let's just say Vanessa and her cohorts are not going to trouble you ever again.
You have not...
Killed her? No. I won't do that. But I gave her a very, very good warning she will not forget in a long time. Look, forget Vanessa, alright? I just need you to get well. Relax. And get well for me. Okay? Alright?
Hello, Jasmine.
Hello, Princess. How are you?
I'm fine, and you? Anyway, how is Daddy doing?
Oh, he's fine. How's Uncle Dave? I've been trying to reach him all day, but his phone is off.
Yes, he's not home at the moment, but I hope everything is okay.
I just wanted to thank him for the money he sent to me.
Cash? Well, I don't know anything about that.
Oh, well, he actually sent it to me to do some shopping. He even sent me some lingerie last week, and it was really, really nice.
You know what? When she came to bid me goodbye, I just said to myself, she's growing every day to have a striking resemblance of you. I hope she has your kind of heart too.
Hello? Hello?
I will rather you wait for Jasmine to come and do the cooking. You will end up messing everything.
Jasmine.
Are you listening? Hello, sister? Hello? Hello? Sister, hello?
Sweetheart, you don't need to go around snooping in my absence just because you want to read my diary. You could have asked for it. Now you know my secret. Yes, I am madly in love with Jasmine, and I want to marry her. Oh, come on, princess. Don't be greedy. Come on, show some love to little sister. Let her have a piece of me too.
Oh no, Dave.
After all, you're dying.
Yes. You're very right. I'm dying. But one thing I know you're wrong about is I'm not going to sit and see you destroy my sister's life like you did destroy mine. To be over my dead body.
Be careful. Be careful, princess, what you ask for. The devil might hear you and grant you your wish.
You sick freaking bastard!
What did you say?
Yes! I don't even know how you got into the military. Or even got promoted as a major. One thing I can assure you is you should be locked up in the solitary confinement.
You need to be locked up. You're talking too much. Come here.
Leave me! Please! Leave me! You are hurting me! You are hurting me! You are hurting me! God! Dave! Dave, you're hurting me! Dave! Dave, you're hurting me! God! Dave! Dave! Dave!
Shut up! Shut up! Otherwise I'll break every dying bone inside you! Shut up!
My child! Help me!
Jasmine is like a virus. I just can't get her out of my mind. I just can't.
Uncle.
Yeah?
Look at me. Sister said I can't wear this outfit out. Please tell me it's not true.
Hi, princess. Listen. Don't be scared. Princess, please don't be scared. Princess, I came in here to tell you I'm very, very sorry for everything I've done to you. And all the things that I said to you. I'm sorry, okay? Listen, I don't know what came over me. I know I haven't behaved very well these days. Please forgive me, okay?
I'm very weak and tired. I need to be left alone, please.
No, listen. I'll make it up for you, okay? I just made arrangements to get you to go visit your dad and Jasmine for change of environment, okay? Okay. Do you want to go? You want to go? Oh. Okay. So why don't you get your clothes and I'll drop you off, okay? Come here. I love you. I really love you. Do you good. It will refresh you. Okay? It's good, okay? You don't want to go to daddy looking weak and unkempt. Keep drinking. You have a long journey to make. Is it good? How do you feel? Sorry, baby. I dropped something in your drink.
Oh.
You're going to be dizzy in no time.
Oh.
Yeah, I can see you're dizzy now. I know. You're dizzy. No, don't bother struggling. Your hands and your legs are no longer working. That's the effect of what I dropped in your drink. Okay, let's go. Sweetheart, I'm going to make it as easy as possible. Easy pain. Easy, not yet.
Hello? Yeah.
Sir, thank you very much for the visit.
Johnson, you are one of the few soldiers in my division that is very close to my heart. So when a tragedy like this befalls you, it's important we rally around you and give you all the support we can.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I appreciate that, sir. I appreciate the support you have given to me and my family. And it makes me proud to be a soldier and to serve my country. And I'll resume next week, sir.
No. Take the week off and rest properly. It's an order.
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
I was in Junior's room. I was actually putting him to sleep.
Oh, so she's...
Yeah.
He is asleep?
Yes, I am.
So bad. Yeah, that reminds me. The welfare of Junior. What do you propose now?
Well, Nana, the issue has preoccupied my mind since the burial and the funeral. But I've decided that Junior should be with you and Jasmine for now.
No, Uncle Dave, I'm very sorry, but I totally disagree with that. See, Junior is the only bond you share with my sister, so I think it's better for him to be with you, you know, so that at least every day when you look into his eyes, you can see my sister through it. And also, her memories would always be with you.
Not only is she very beautiful and homely, but very intelligent as well. A very rare blend of beauty and brain.
Well spoken, daughter. I couldn't have said anything better.
Well, I do agree with you, but you all seem to forget the fact that I'm a high-ranking soldier and I may not be there all the time for him. That will mean he has to be in the midst of strangers, house helps and other workers. And that is certainly something that I don't want to happen.
So,
the next decision, that is the next possibility, is something that may not be convenient for both of you.
And that is?
I don't know what it will sound like to ask the two of you to come and stay here with me for a while. You wouldn't be doing only Junior the favor, but me as well. That will mean we have the family together. This is a big house and living here by ourselves. You know.
Well, that is not too big a request, but then you also forget that Jasmine is involved and she is schooling, she is in the university. Anyway, she's on vacation and I think we can manage, or?
Yes.
See, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm most grateful. I know I can always count on you in matters like this. Most grateful. Thank you very much.
I'll be in Junior's room. Honey, please try to understand, okay? Look, all my dad and I are doing is to just give some sort of stability for Junior. You know, he was actually much closer to my sister than he was to his father. So we're only trying to fill that vacuum.
I'm not against the fact that you're trying to help your nephew. I'm not against that. I'm totally against the fact that you are relocating to Accra. I mean, they should consider that you also have a life, don't you? You have school, and for God's sake, you have me, Jasmine. Have you thought about me?
I know. Sweetie, listen. This is also very difficult for me, okay? It's not easy. But all I'm asking right now is just some stability to set in, and then we can...
And then what? Then what? Relocate back to Kumasi? You know that's not possible. Do I look stupid to you, Jasmine? Do I look stupid?
Honey, it hasn't come to that, has it?
I will tell you which point we've gotten to. I will tell you that. We've gotten to the point where you have to make up your mind, Jasmine. Make up your mind whether you are relocating to Accra or you're choosing to stay with me.
Leo, for God's sake, you're putting me in a very, very difficult position right now.
You put yourself in that position. You did. And I'm giving you an ultimatum. It's either you choose to relocate in Accra or you choose to be with me. That will prove where your allegiance is.
Hello? Hello?
What is the meaning of this? Just what is the meaning of this? If you know you were going to put up such a spectacle, you should have remained at home.
Fred, I want to be left alone.
No, you don't want to be left alone. Because people who want to be left alone don't come to public places like this. They stay in the confines of their homes and bear their own problems.
Fred, just stop this.
Listen. Both of you should cut this out now. No, Terry. Nobody's cutting anything out. I mean, someone needs to tell this friend of mine some home truth. I mean, how can you put a girl you love so much in a position whereby she has to choose between you and her family? You know that can't work. You know this.
Come on, guys. Are we here to criticize each other or we are here to solve each other's problem? Listen, Leon. Do you love this girl?
More than life itself.
Then get there and fight for your woman. If she's in hell, get there and negotiate with the devil. But make sure you come back home with the bride, okay?
Thanks.
Man, we're going to give you all the support you need. I'm going to call my uncle in Accra and tell him you're coming over. I mean, he's going to provide everything you will need in Accra.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Fred, you are one sick hell of a guy. Really. But I love you, man. I love you. Big ups. You too. Nice one. Thank you, guys. I really needed somebody to knock some senses in my head. I needed that.
Make yourself comfortable.
Should I close it?
Yeah, please. Make yourself comfortable.
We have a very nice place.
Thank you. Fred has told me everything.
Okay.
So you can stay here and do whatever you come here to do. If you need something, you call me.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Uncle. Can you help me locate the area they call 37?
What in God's name are you going to do at 37? Intending to join the army?
No, Uncle. Actually, I'm looking for a lady, a girl.
A girl?
Yeah. Yes, Uncle. She's the love of my life. And she relocated here in Accra with her brother-in-law, who's a major in the army.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, get down the lane, down the hill, and you turn left.
Left?
Yeah, you
okay.
ask. And you'll be shown the way.
Alright.
Right. If your love is real, your heart will really reach her.
Thank you, Uncle.
If you need something, give me a call. Stay out of trouble.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Let me show you to you.
Thank you very much.
I love your pink shirt. Come!
Thanks. I didn't travel 600 kilometers for nothing to just come here and blab. I'm here to see the father of the woman that I love, if I'm allowed to, and then make my intentions known.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Hell yeah, like I want to. What do you mean?
Okay, so if you get to meet him, which you eventually will, and he asks you what you do for a living, what would you say? Because I know that question will definitely come up.
Trust me, when we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
Oh, I love you, baby.
I love you more.
I love you so much.
Well, I'm mesmerized.
You back from your evening school, huh?
Yes, Nana.
You do this every day to keep fit, right?
It refreshes me. Do you care for a ring?
Oh, why not? My mind, I don't get any younger. Yeah, there's a lot to read from the paper.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, son. Yes.
Nana, there's something that has been on my mind that I would like to discuss with you.
What is this, son?
Well, ever since you and Jasmine moved in here, she has done a marvelous job. She has perfectly fit in as a replacement for my late wife.
In fact, that is how they were raised. Same charisma, the same drive, same knack for perfection. And I guess they inherited it from their mother.
Just being curious, Nana. Do you know whether or not Jasmine is in any relationship?
Jasmine is not a baby anymore. So I wouldn't be surprised. But I suspect she's dating someone around my neighborhood.
I would like to discuss Jasmine's marriage. Let me rephrase this. I see Jasmine as a perfect replica of Princess. She is the ideal woman to take care of my son. To crown it, she seemed to be someone with the quality of being a good wife. It is for this reason that I want to marry.
Hold that word right there. Don't let it drop out of your mouth. You want to marry your wife's sister. What are you thinking, Dave? And you think me and my family will agree to such an abomination? Ha! Look, take it that we never discussed this issue. And if I were you, I will raise this completely out of my mind. And lest I forget, Jasmine says she's coming to introduce her fiancé to me soon. Very soon.
Tears fill up my eyes, cascade into the ground. The pain within in my heart, a love once had betrayed.